Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Northrop Grumman selected as preferred payload provider for U.S. Department of War Drone Dominance Program. Northrop Grumman has been selected as one of 5 preferred payload providers for the Department of War's Drone Dominance Program through the Lethality Prize Challenge. The company will support the initiative with its common UAS unmanned aerial system payload, a standardized fuse and effects module designed for rapid integration across small unmanned systems. The Drone Dominance Program is a $1 billion initiative focused on the rapid fielding of low-cost, consumable unmanned aerial systems and associated mission systems. The Department of War aims to field more than 200,000 drones by 2027 to provide distributed lethal effects and expand U.S. defense industrial capacity. Northrop Grumman said its selection positions the company to help scale payload production for the growing number of small drones expected under the program. Its common UAS payload is designed as an off-the-shelf system using mature energetics and rugged electronics. The payload is engineered for integration across unmanned aerial, maritime, and ground-based platforms. According to the company, the system provides 360-degree lethality in extreme environments while supporting cross-platform interoperability. Tanya Santias, Director for Fuse and Warheads at Northrop Grumman, said, "The Drone Dominance Program demands payloads ready to integrate and deploy immediately, no delays, no redesigns. Our common UAS unmanned aerial system payload meets this need with speed, safety and interoperability in mind, enabling military dominance now and into the future," Santias added. Northrop Grumman said the payload is aligned with the Department of War's modular open systems approach. The system uses a modular, open systems architecture with standard interfaces to support integration across different platforms and mission sets. The company said the payload also supports the U.S. Army's purpose-built attritable systems requirements. According to Northrop Grumman, that approach is intended to improve flexibility, accelerate integration, and reduce life cycle costs. Northrop Grumman has invested more than $2 billion in recent years in solid rocket motor and munition technologies, as well as facility modernization. The company said those investments position it to meet accelerated delivery timelines under the Drone Dominance Program. The company said it has nearly 100,000 employees and more than 30 million square feet of manufacturing space. Northrop Grumman stated that its production infrastructure, research and development, workforce and supply chain investments are intended to support current and future national security needs. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write @Electronics Technology.